I would like to begin by acknowledging the traditional owners of this land on which we stand today and pay my respect to their elders, past and present. या उपस्थित यहाँ के सामाजिक राजनीतिक जीवन के सभी वरिष्ठ महानुभाव
all dignitaries
और मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों
and my dear countrymen.
ये स्वागत, ये सम्मान,
this respect,
उत्साह,
enthusiasm,
इसका हकदार
the person privileged to receive this,
इसका हकदार मोदी नहीं है.
Modi is not the person privileged to receive this.
125 करोड़ देशवासी
1,250 million countrymen,
ये उनके हकदार है.
they have the right to receive this.
ये स्वागत, ये सम्मान, ये प्यार
This love, this welcome, this
भारत माता
respect
के उन 125 करोड़ संतानों के चरणों में मैं समर्पित करता हूँ.
I give this unto the feet of the children of the Mother India.
मैं देख रहा हूँ कि बहुत लोग अभी भी बाहर हैं.
I see
अंदर आ
that many
नहीं पाए.
people are still outside. They could not come inside.
ये जो नजारा
This
सिडनी में दिखाई दे रहा
decoration,
है,
this grand program that we see in Sydney,
ये नजारा पूरे हिंदुस्तान को आंदोलित कर रहा है.
that is moving the whole of India.
कभी स्वामी विवेकानंद जी के शब्दों को याद करते हैं
We remember the words of Swami Vivekananda.
तो हम कल्पना नहीं कर सकते
You cannot imagine
कि हमारे इन महापुरुष कितने दीर्घदृष्टा थे.
that this great man of ours had such
आजादी
a
के
long
ठीक
sight.
50 साल पहले
Just 50 years before independence,
स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने कहा था
Swami Vivekananda had said
कि 50 साल के लिए
that for 50 years,
भारत के लोग
the people of India,
अपने देवी देवताओं को भूल जाए.
they should forget our gods and goddesses. Can anyone
एक
imagine that?
सन्यासी
That this renunciated person
आध्यात्मिक जीवन को लेकर के चल पड़ा था,
who was going on the
जिसने
spiritual
गुरुदेव
path,
रामकृष्ण परमहंस को अपना जीवन आहूत कर दिया था.
he devoted his life to his master
जिसके लिए
Ramakrishna Paramhans. Why?
ईश्वर साक्षात्कार
For realizing God.
मकसद रहा.
That was his
वो
goal.
सन्यासी
That renunciated
देश की
person
आजादी के 50 साल पहले कह रहा है
says 50 years before the independence of the country that for 50 years, please forget
और
your
सिर्फ
demigods
सिर्फ
and demigoddesses,
भारत माता की पूजा करो,
and
दुनिया में फिर एक
just
बार भारत
worship
माता की।
Mother India.
और उस महापुरुष के शब्दों की ताकत देखिए।
And look at the strength of that great man.
ठीक उस 50 साल के बाद
And exactly after 50
भारत
years,
आजाद हो गया।
India became independent.
मेरी तरह
Like me,
यहाँ बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं
there are many people over here
जिनका जन्म आजाद हिंदुस्तान में हुआ है।
who were born in independent India.
और ये मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मैं देश का पहला प्रधानमंत्री ऐसा हूं
And it is
जो
my
आजाद
good luck
हिंदुस्तान में पैदा हुआ।
that I am the first Prime Minister of the country who was born in the independent Hindustan.
और तब जाकर के मुझे जरा ज्यादा ही
And then
जिम्मेवारी का एहसास होता है,
I feel that my
क्योंकि
responsibility
मेरे
is still
जैसे
greater
आप में से बहुत लोग हैं
because there are many people
आजाद
among you
हिंदुस्तान में पैदा हुए।
who are like you, who were
हमें
born in the independent
देश की आजादी के
Hindustan.
लिए लड़ने का सौभाग्य नहीं मिला है।
We did not have the good luck to fight
हमें
for the independence of the country.
भारत माता को गुलामी की जंजीरों से मुक्त कराने के लिए
We did not
फांसी के तख्त पर चढ़ने का नसीब नहीं हुआ है।
had
हमें
we didn't have the
माँ भारती के
opportunity to be
सम्मान और
hanged
गौरव के लिए
for the independence of the Mother India.
जेल के सलाखों के पीछे अपनी जवानी खपाने का सौभाग्य नहीं मिला है।
We did not have the good luck to go to
और
the
हमारे
jail
भीतर
for
एक
the
दर्द
independence
होना
of
चाहिए,
India.
एक कशक होनी चाहिए
And there should be some pain within us
कि हम
that we
आजादी की जंग में नहीं थे।
were not there in the
हम
fight
देश के लिए मर तो नहीं
for
सके,
independence.
लेकिन आजादी के बाद पैदा हुए हैं, क्या देश के लिए जी तो सकते हैं?
We could not die for the country, but since we are born for after the independence, we can at least
हर
live
किसी के
for the
नसीब में
country.
देश के लिए मरना नहीं होता है, देश के लिए जीना हर किसी के नसीब में होता है। और इसलिए
Everyone doesn't have the luck of
हमारा
dying for the
संकल्प
country,
रहना चाहिए।
but everyone has the luck of living
जिएंगे।
for the country. It should be our determination that if we live, we will live for the country.
जूझेंगे तो भी देश के लिए।
If we fight, if we struggle, that would also be
और
for the
यही
country.
भाव आज 125 करोड़ देशवासियों के दिल में जगा है।
And that is the feeling within
आजकल तो-
1,250 billions of the countrymen.
आप हिंदुस्तान से रात को निकलें, सुबह ऑस्ट्रेलिया पहुंच जाते हैं।
You leave India at night
लेकिन
and
भारत के
arrive in
प्रधानमंत्री को
Australia
यहाँ
in
आने
the
में
morning.
28 साल लगे।
But the Prime Minister of India took 28 years in coming here.
मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाने आया हूं,
I have come here to assure you,
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रहने वाले मेरे देशवासियों,
my dear countrymen living in
अब
Australia,
आपको कभी 28 साल इंतजार नहीं करना पड़ेगा।
you will never have to wait for 28 years.
जितना हक हिंदुस्तान में रहने वाले हिंदुस्तानियों का है, उतना ही हक यहां पर रहने वाले मेरे देशवासियों का है।
The right that the people living in India have, the same right is there with the people living here.
सिडनी एक खूबसूरत शहर है,
Sydney is a beautiful city.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया एक खूबसूरत देश है,
Australia is a beautiful country.
न ऑस्ट्रेलिया न इंडिया क्रिकेट के बिना जी सकते हैं।
Neither Australia nor India can live without cricket.
क्रिकेट ने हमें जोड़ा है,
Cricket
लेकिन उससे
has
पहले-
joined us. But before that,
हमारी ऐसी सांस्कृतिक विरासत रही है,
we had
इतिहास की
a
ऐसी घटनाएं
cultural
रही है
history
जिसने हमें अटूट रूप से जोड़ा हुआ है।
that had
और ऑस्ट्रेलिया
linked
और
us.
भारत कॉमन वैल्यूज को शेयर करते हैं।
Australia and India share
लोकतंत्र
common values.
हम
Democracy,
दोनों देशों की धरोहर है।
that is there in both the
और
countries.
विश्व लोकतांत्रिक शक्तियों को
And the world
आज गौरव के भाव से देखता है।
looks at the democratic
भारत के
countries with pride.
दीर्घदृष्टा महापुरुषों का
And
ये
the
बहुत बड़ा
long-sighted
योगदान
great
रहा
men
कि आजाद
of
हिंदुस्तान
India
में
have contributed.
लोकतंत्र की मजबूत नींव हमारे पूर्व के सभी महापुरुषों ने डाली।
The
और उसी
base,
का
the
परिणाम
strong
है।
base of
और
democracy
लोकतंत्र की ताकत देखिए।
was established by our great leaders. And look at this
अगर लोकतंत्र की
strength of
ऊंचाई
our
न होती,
democracy. If there was no height of the
तो क्या मैं यहाँ होता?
democracy, do you think I would have been here?
भारत के लोकतंत्र की उस ताकत को हम पहचाने
Let us recognize the strength of the democracy of India, where
सामान्य से सामान्य इंसान भी
the commonest of the common person,
अगर सच्ची निष्ठा और श्रद्धा के साथ
with true determination,
देश के लोगों के लिए जीना तय करता है,
If
तो देश भी
decides
उसके लिए मरना तय करता
to live for the people of the country, then the country would also decide to die for that
कभी-कभार
person. Sometimes
है। हम शास्त्रों में पढ़ते थे
we used to read in the scriptures
कि फलाने भगवान
that
सहस्त्र बाहु थे,
so and so demigod
1000 भुजाएं थी।
had
ऐसा तो
1,000
नहीं था कि यहाँ
arms.
लटकाई होगी।
It was not like that,
इसका
that
मतलब ये था
it was hanged on the
उनके
shoulders.
पास
That meant
ऐसे 500 लोग थे
that
जो
they
1000
had
भुजाओं के कारण
500
ईश्वर भी
people
अपनी सारी इच्छाओं को
with
पूर्ण कर
1000
पाते थे,
arms,
योजनाओं को पूर्ण पर करते।
that with which even the God would satisfy
परमात्मा के
their
500
desires.
सहस्त्र बाहु थे,
God had 1,000
लेकिन भारत
arms,
माता के पास
but
250 करोड़ भुजाएं हैं। 250 करोड़।
the Mother India has got 2,500
जिस देवी के पास, जिस
250
भारत
crores,
माँ के पास
2,500 million arms.
250 करोड़ भुजाएं हो,
The Mother
और
India
उसमें भी
that has got 2,500 million arms,
200 करोड़ भुजाएं तो
and in which
35 साल से कम आयु
2,000 million arms are of the people.
हिंदुस्तान नौजवान है,
Hindustan is young,
युवा शक्ति से भरा हुआ है।
is full of young
युवा के
energy,
मन में आंखों में सपने होते हैं,
who has dreams in
नेक
their
इरादे
eyes,
होते हैं,
have good,
मजबूत संकल्प शक्ति होती है,
and they have good resolution and the power, and
पत्थर पे लकीर करने का भी सामर्थ्य
and-
रखते हैं, और उसी के भरोसे में विश्वास
and they have capacity
जो
to write
स्वामी
on a
विवेकानंद ने
stone.
दूसरा सपना देखा,
And Swami Vivekananda saw the second
मैं मेरी
dream,
आंखों के सामने देख रहा हूँ,
and I am watching that in front of my eyes.
जीवन के अंत काल में 50 साल के बाद
That great man in his last time of his life
उस महापुरुष ने
saw
दूसरा सपना देखा था,
that second dream,
और स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने
and
कहा था
Swami Vivekananda said
कि मैं मेरे आंख के सामने
that in my front of my eyes
भारत माँ का वो रूप,
I am watching the
उस जगत जननी का
image
रूप
of
देख रहा
my
हूँ।
mother India, that once again my mother India is situated as a Vishwa Guru, as the Guru of the world,
वो विश्व का नेतृत्व करती होगी,
and she
वो
will
विश्व
be
की
leading
आशा
the
आकांक्षाओं की
world,
पूर्ति का सामर्थ्य रखती होगी।
and she will have capacity to
मेरी
fulfill
स्वामी
the
विवेकानंद जी की
ambitions of the world.
इस दीर्घ दृष्टा पर अपार
So
श्रद्धा है,
I
और
have
इसलिए मैं भी विश्वास से कहता हूँ कि विवेकानंद जी कभी गलत
that
नहीं
I
बोलते।
have very great respect to that great vision of Vivekanand, and then I say that Swami Vivekanand can't be wrong, and I say that the country is full of that energy, and in my 6 months work time, 6 months are not nothing, but I can say with my 6 months experience that the common man has dreamt for those, that Bharat Ma is blessings to fulfill the dreams of. I want to ask you,
जो भरोसा मेरा है आपका है क्या?
The trust what I have, do you have that trust? Do you believe
ये देश फिर से उठ खड़ा होगा?
That this country will rise again? This country will be powerful?
मानव जात की सेवा कर पाएंगे?
That we will be able to serve the humanity with the capacity or with the ability?
अगर आपकी वाणी में जो ताकत है,
if you have that power in your voice, and the common man's strength will become the voice of God.
वो ईश्वर के आशीर्वाद बन जाते हैं.
That becomes a blessing of God.
मुझे कोई कारण नहीं लगता है.
I don't see any reason.
कोई कारण मुझे नहीं लगता है.
I don't see any reason
हमारा देश
that our country
पीछे रह जाए.
will left behind.
नियति ने उसका आगे जाना तय कर लिया है.
The nature or the luck has decided that the country will go ahead, will progress. That we all 1.25 crore people have to decide that whatever the work we will do, that will be for the poor people of country, poor people of India and the world.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया के जीवन में,
in Australia's life,
कोई भी भारतवासी गर्व करता है.
Every Indian feel proud. Here,
200 साल पहले भारत से कुछ परिवार आए थे.
Here came some
200 साल
families 200 years ago. 200 years ago.
और भारतीयों का यहाँ का जीवन
and Indians' life here,
हिंदुस्तानी को गर्व करा रहा है.
and the Indians feel pride in it, seeing the life of Australians here. You make Australia your land.
आपके वाणी से, वर्तन से,
in your voice, in your thinking, in your behavior, the values you are living with. Because of that,
ऑस्ट्रेलिया का भी हर नागरिक,
Australia's each and every citizen feels a relation with you. That feel that, and I believe,
एक भारतीय के नाते,
being an Indian,
सबसे बड़ा दायित्व होता है.
This is our biggest responsibility. That what is our work land, for that work, with that work land, we should have that attachment. Our dedication should also be that. That is our all Indian brothers and sisters are doing in Australia's land. I, before coming here, was seeing few things, and I was very pleased. And today I will not be able to, can't mention the things which is left behind. I can't mention. Please forgive me, because it is my fault. It is not the shortcoming of their bravery or their efforts. You see,
1964
in 1964, in Tokyo, Olympic Games took place. In that, the Indian origin person, Badwar Singh, Samrai, he represented India, Australia in the Olympics. At that time, in Olympic, from Australia and Indian doing the representative. He was the representative of Australia, and it is. I think that it is not was a simple or a small thing. Here, in a very big number, in Anglo-Indians are living here. They came from India and living here. And he was born in Jabalpur, and in Olympic, he represented hockey from the side of Australia. Red Sellers, Stuart Clark.
ये दोनों एंग्लो इंडियन थे.
They both were Anglo-Indian. They came from India.
लेकिन ऑस्ट्रेलिया को
But
क्रिकेट की दुनिया में उन्होंने अपनी जगह बना दी थी.
but
उनका योगदान.
they established Australia in the world of cricket.
लीसा स्थालेकर
Lisa
पुणे
Sthalekar
में जन्मी
was born in Pune,
और महिलाओं के क्रिकेट की दुनिया में
and in the field of ladies cricket, up to 2013, she made the record of 1,000 runs,
ऑस्ट्रेलिया की तरफ से
and she took 200 wickets, and she was the daughter of Mother India.
अक्षय वेंकटेश
Akshay Venkatesh,
भारतीय मूल के ऑस्ट्रेलिया
he was originally from
12
India.
साल की उम्र में
At the age of 12 years,
इंटरनेशनल फिजिक्स
he
ओलंपियाड
international physics in Olympiad and in international math Olympiad,
डंका बजा दिया.
he
ऑस्ट्रेलिया का नाम रोशन किया.
he
यही के हमारे
he was successful, and he was
मथई वर्गीस
Mathai Varghese.
मूल भारतीय के
He was also
भारतीय मूल के थे.
of Indian origin.
वह यहाँ ऑस्ट्रेलिया पहुंचे. मैथमेटिशियन के नाते
As a mathematician, he
थारिनी मुदालियर
Tharini Mudaliar
साउथ अफ्रीका में जन्मी. मूल
was born
भारतीय.
in South Africa, and he was from Indian origin, and as an actor and a singer, he is well known in all over Australia. Indira Naidu,
मूल भारतीय की ऑस्ट्रेलियन
and she was an Indian origin.
जर्नलिस्ट के रूप में और जेल में सेवाएं देने के रूप
As a
में
journalist and as a
आज भी
writer.
हर
Even
भारतीय
today,
से नामों पर गर्व कर सकते हैं.
every Indian can feel pride
बहुत सारे नाम
about her name. And
जो भारतीय
there
मूल
are
के
other
लोग हैं,
many names who are
जिन्होंने
of
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में
Indian origin and
अपने
who
आप
in
को ऐसा
Australia,
खपा दिया, अपना
and
ऐसा
they
ऐसा समर्पित कर दिया.
they dedicated
ऑस्ट्रेलिया के
themselves
जीवन
to
को
Australia,
भिन्न-भिन्न क्षेत्रों में ऑस्ट्रेलिया का
and in
नाम
Australia's
रोशन हो.
life and in the various fields of Australia, they had contributed. And this is our strength, that
गौरव के लिए
that for the pride of the Indian nation, being an
विश्व में
Indian,
हम जहाँ हों वहाँ
wherever we are in the world,
वहाँ के लोगों का हम प्रेम संपादन करें.
that we have
जो करके
to
उनके जीवन को बनाने
show
में
our love to them, and we should have to contribute there together.
वो जगत को काम आए.
Whatever is the
उसी के लिए हम एक
strength
माध्यम
हमारे
बने
पास, it
और
should
उस
be used
भूमिका
for
से
the
जो हम
world.
भूमिका अदा कर रहे हैं.
And the
इसलिए
part you
मैं
are
आप
playing
सबको
here,
हृदय से बहुत-बहुत बधाई
and
देता हूं.
therefore
आप सबका बहुत-बहुत अभिनंदन करता हूं.
I welcome you all for that, for my bottom of my heart, and I say thank you for that.
मुझे मालूम है
I know
चुनाव तो हिंदुस्तान में चल रहे थे.
elections were going on in India.
आपकी उंगली पर तो टीका लगने वाला नहीं था.
You were not to have a mark on your
आपका तो
finger.
मतदान होना नहीं था.
You were not to
लेकिन
vote.
मुझे मालूम है
But I am aware
उस चुनाव का कोई पल ऐसा नहीं था
there was not even
जिससे
a
आप
moment
जुड़े
of the
नहीं.
election with which you were not linked.
कोई परिवार ऐसा नहीं था
There was not
जो
a
चुनाव
single
के
family
नतीजे आने वाले थे उस रात
on
तय
the
करके बैठा था तो
eve
सोना नहीं है.
of the election. They had determined that they would not sleep at night.
ये जो भारत में राजनीतिक परिवर्तन के लिए
For this
विश्व भर में फैले हुए
political change in
भारतीय
India,
समुदाय का जो उमंग था
there was enthusiasm among all
कौन
Indians
जीते कौन हारे
living around the
इसके लिए
world.
नहीं था.
That
किसकी
enthusiasm
सत्ता बने
was
किसकी न
not
बने
to
इसके लिए नहीं
see
था.
who wins or who loses,
कि दिल में एक
who
दर्द
comes in
था,
power
आग
or
की
who
पीड़ा
does not.
थी कि मैं दुनिया में जहां बैठा हूं मेरा देश कब ऐसा बनेगा.
That they had some pain in their heart. That when will my country will become like the one in which I am sitting.
उसके लिए चुनाव,
For that person, the election
उज्जवल भारत के भविष्य के सपनों से जुड़ा हुआ था. उसके लिए चुनाव,
their thoughts were linked.
राजनीतिक
The election
उठापटक का
was
खेल नहीं
linked
था.
with the future of the country.
का खेल नहीं था.
It
उसके
was
दिल
not
में
the
तो एक
play
ही आवाज थी,
of victory or losing the election.
भारत माता की जय.
They had only one voice in their heart.
उसके मन में एक ही
Hail
भाव था,
to Mother India.
भारत माता की जय.
Hail to Mother
और
Bharat.
भारत माता की जय का मतलब होता है
And the meaning of Hail to Mother Bharat
भारत के जो
is
कोटि कोटि लोग
that millions of people of
जो आज
India
भी गरीबी में जिंदगी गुजार रहे हैं,
who are still living in
कितने
poverty.
परिवार है
There are so many families
जिनको आज
who
बिजली तक मुहैया नहीं है.
do not even have electricity.
आजादी के इतने सालों के बाद
After so many years of independence,
पीने का शुद्ध पानी न मिले,
not getting clean
बिजली
drinking
मुहैया न
water,
हो,
electricity not available. Not only that,
शौचालय तक नहीं है.
even toilets are not there.
कई लोगों के मन में बहुत बड़े बड़े काम करने के सपने होते हैं.
Many people have dreams of doing many great jobs. They may have their dreams.
मुझे तो छोटे छोटे काम करने हैं.
But I have to do small jobs.
छोटे छोटे लोगों के लिए करने हैं.
For smaller people
छोटे लोगों को बड़ा बनाने के लिए करने हैं.
and for making the small people big. That is what I want to work for.
आप कल्पना कर सकते हैं
You can imagine
आज के युग में
in today's age,
बैंकिंग सिस्टम से अलग रह करके
by remaining aloof from the banking
व्यवस्था की
system,
मुख्य धारा के बाहर रह करके
outside the economic life,
बन सकता है.
can anyone be a partner in economic development?
हमारे
Bank
देश में
account
बैंकों का
is such a
राष्ट्रीयकरण
common
हुआ था.
thing in our country.
और ये सपना देखा गया था गरीब से गरीब व्यक्ति बैंक में जा पाएगा.
We had a dream that the poorest of the poor person would be able to go to the bank.
जब हिंदुस्तान में थे कभी देखा था?
Had you seen a poor person in a bank when you were in Hindustan?
कि मैं चाहता हूँ
But
गरीब
I
का बैंक
want
में खाता हो.
that a poor person also has an account in a bank.
मैंने प्रधानमंत्री जनधन योजना बनाई
I
क्योंकि मैं
made a
चाहता हूं
scheme
कि देश की
of
आर्थिक
the
विकास
Prime
यात्रा में
Minister
गरीब से गरीब का
fund.
भी हिस्सा जुड़ना चाहिए. वो इस व्यवस्था के साथ परिचित होना चाहिए. वो कदम से कदम मिला के चलना
Even
चाहिए.
the poorest of the poor person should be familiar with this arrangement.
करीब 75 मिलियन लोग
About 75 million
जिनका
people.
बैंक अकाउंट नहीं, उन परिवारों की मैं बात करूं, व्यक्ति नहीं, परिवार.
I am talking about not the
एक परिवार में
individuals,
5 लोग गिने तो आप
but the
अंदाजा कर
families.
सकते हैं कि कितनी बड़ी संख्या होगी. मैंने रिजर्व बैंक से कहा
I told the Reserve
कि
Bank,
ये काम करना है.
I said, if one job is to be done, can you do
रिजर्व
that?
बैंक ने कहा कि
Reserve Bank said that,
सकता है.
Modi ji, it is possible, but
अब प्रधानमंत्री को मना तो कोई करता नहीं.
but nobody can refuse to the Prime Minister.
लोगों को तरीके मालूम होते हैं.
But they know the
उन्होंने कहा
techniques.
3 साल लगेंगे.
They said it would take 3 years.
मैंने कहा भाई
I said, brother,
3 साल के बाद क्या सूरज कब उगेगा?
after 3 years, when will the sun rise?
मैंने हमारे वित्त मंत्रालय को पूछा.
I asked the Ministry of Finance, brother, this job has to be done. What will you do? Reserve Bank is saying 3 years, but they said no, we will do it in 2 years. They thought Modi ji will be happy. They said 3, but we said 2. So now the train will move forward. I called the people of my office, the PM's office. I said, brother, this Reserve Bank is saying 3 years, department says 2 years. What do you say? No, sir. It will take at least 1 year. Now I heard everyone. And I said, I announced it from the Red Fort on 15th of August. I said, I want to complete this job within 150 days. Friends, in previous 68 years, within 1 year, 10 million bank accounts were opened. I determined that this job must be done. During last 10 weeks, 71 million bank accounts have already opened. The same government, the same leaders, the same office, the same file, the same habit, same people. Was the work accomplished or not? Is it possible or not? Not only that, look at the honesty of the poor people of the country. I am saluting them from this land. We had said, I want to bring them to the mainstream by having their bank account opened. Those poor people did not even have rupees 5 to 10. So I made a rule that they could open a bank account even within a zero, with a
जीरो बैलेंस से जिनका बैंक अकाउंट खोलना था, ऐसे गरीब परिवार के लोगों ने,
the poor people whose bank account has to be opened with zero balance, but they thought within their mind, why do we do it with zero balance? Anyway, Modi ji has already said, but it is our responsibility also. You will be happy to know that 5,000 crores rupees were deposited by 70 million account holders. Someone deposited 100 rupees, someone deposited 200 rupees. They felt that they were joining the mainstream. The purpose of my saying is that, friends, that once let us not think that the people of our country has lesser strength. Let us have trust on our arrangement. Let us have faith on our countrymen. And if we try to hold their finger and proceed further, they have the capacity of going faster than us. And I have told them on 26th that the 26th January will be the final date. The work has to be finished. All employees are doing that job. All employees of the bank are doing that job.
From 2nd of October, I started the work of cleanliness.
आप मुझे बताइए दुनिया
You tell me, in any country you go of the world, and you see the cleanliness of there. So first of all, so do you remember the streets and roads of our country? When I come here, do you spread dirtiness? But when we go to India, this is not the problem only because of the systems. I know it is a difficult work. Mahatma Gandhi was also insisting and asking for that. But it is a very difficult work. Should we not touch? Shouldn't we prepare for the criticism? And brothers and sisters, and I also has taken a difficult task, and knowingly that I did that. The people who fought in the fighting for freedom in 1857. They couldn't see the free India, but if someone thinks that if I can see the free India, and when I am living then, and then I will die, then no one will achieve the freedom. If 1.25 crore people decide that the image of India is in the world, that so we can change that, and that's why I decided to do that. I am getting built the toilets, and you see the Prime Minister of the country is busy in getting built the toilets, and especially the dignity of my mothers and sisters, and they have to go to the fields for the toilets. So it is a very shameful thing for us. And I also request to you as well that God has given you a lot. You are not maybe the wealthy people, but you must be eating the food nicely. You should also in your village, from where you belong, you came from. If you can contribute in your village from where you came, so I request you that if you can contribute, please contribute for your village. Cleanliness is a field because that the dirtiness, the dirt brings, give birth to the diseases, and if there is a disease, so if someone becomes sick, so because of the sickness, our poor family has to spend 6,000 or 7,000 rupees. If we can make the country clean, so it will be the biggest service for the poor people. If you have any feeling to serve your country, then you can show your feeling by doing the cleanliness, to encourage the cleanliness in India. That's why long ago when I came to Australia, when I met many people at that time, I met many people here, and so many people used to ask me that what will you learn from Australia? What will you say that I went to Australia and what I brought from India? One thing which was in my mind, and that was dignity of the labor. That is in the character of Australia. That in such a respect, they talk to a doctor, they show the same respect to a driver.
रिसर्च साइंटिस्ट के नाते काम करता है तो कभी करता है वीकेंड पर ड्राइविंग करूंगा तो वीकेंड पर ड्राइविंग
and in the week, during the week he works like a scientist, and he thinks that he will work like a taxi driver. On the weekend he does that.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया से सीखने वाला
And this is the thing, this is the concept to be learned from Australia.
ये स्वच्छता के माध्यम से मैं
And through cleanliness,
गर्व देना चाहता हूँ ये
I want to give the respect and the pride that to do the cleaning, it is not the below dignity, it is the work of dignity.
और हम भारत में
And in India, we people, the nature of we people in India, if someone
अपने घर कूड़ा कचरा उठाने के लिए आ जाए
comes to our house to clean the house, that is the garbage person came.
तो कचरे वाला नहीं है वो सफाई वाला है
But the thing is that he is the person who is going to clean. He is the cleaner. But we,
हमारे सोचने के तरीके
this is the way of our thinking.
हमारी टर्मिनोलॉजी इतनी बदल गई है
Our terminology is so changed that the person who really comes there to clean, the person who does the cleaning, we say the garbage person. And we have to change this condition or this situation. And therefore I saw that today in India,
उद्योग जगत के लोग हो
industrials or cine people or educators, educationalists, everyone
गौरव के साथ इस काम में
and everyone, and they are willing to do the work with pride in that, and I welcome all of them. Work is hard.
दिवाली में भी अपना 2 कमरे का घर भी
That on the occasion of Diwali, we clean our house, maybe it is even of 2 rooms. If the whole India cleans this, how much time it will take if we have to clean the whole India? 2015, we are having the centenary of Mahatma Gandhi's birth. Mahatma Gandhi gave us freedom.
कम से कम
What we can give him, at least we can give him the clean Hindustan. We should do at least that much.
2019 तक इस बात को
2019, I want to take forward this thing. And these things,
अगर बीमारी जाती है तो गरीब
This-
को फायदा होता है लेकिन स्वच्छता
If-
आती है तो टूरिज्म इतना तेजी से बढ़ेगा
if the cleanliness is there, I can say that if there is no disease, it is good for the poor person. But if the country is clean, it will increase the tourism.
हिंदुस्तान के पास है
That the world who have the tourist places in the whole world, we have that much only in India alone.
देखो मिजाज भी तो चाहिए
But you should also have that concept, that thinking.
अपने आप पर भरोसा भी
We should have trust in us, in ourselves.
पुरातन चीजें हमारे
We have so many ancient things there. And we can attract the world. But
शुरुआत ही
the beginning should be, if the beginning is like that, and the matter stuck there. We need the investment from India, and we have started the campaign of Made in India. I wish that the whole world should come in India. The manufacturing sectors, they should come in manufacturing sectors. And because I wish that the youth of India should get employment.
केंद्र बिंदु में नौजवान के लिए रोजगार है
And in all of our policies, the focal point is the employment for youth.
और इसके लिए
And for that,
हम दुनिया को कह रहे हैं आइए
and we are inviting the whole world to invest in India.
इतने नौजवान हो
And the country who has so many young people,
के द्वारा
that country with its ability, with the capacity, can work for it. And therefore, And then I started the campaign of Make in India. And that's for that I am bringing the change in the systems and the laws. But if
the people who come for financial investment, they will talk about the quality of life. The CEO from other countries would also come. When I was the Chief Minister of Gujarat, we wanted that Japan should collaborate with us. Japan should come to us. If there is no golf, then Japanese would not come. Now the people of Gujarat, they know the simple game of sticks and gilli. I told the people to arrange for golf. The purpose of my saying is that if anyone comes for capital investment, they want quality of life for their people. It becomes the responsibility of India that along with capital investment, the people who come, they get all the opportunities of the best quality of life. All these things are linked with each other. If we have the government policies and if we have tax-free things and we offer lots of benefits, that's not enough. We have to have proper arrangement, and we have started our attempts in that direction. We can all be proud for India. But the matter is stuck over there. Even the 1 kilometer train track is not made. There is no space for the passengers, but the passengers are increasing. They sit even on the top of the train. Is there no solution for these problems? There is a solution. With lots of courage, I have decided that 100% foreign investment will be allowed in the railways. I am inviting, please come, please come. There is so much possibility for developing railways. There is so much possibility of upgrading railways. And there is a market of 1,250 million people. In the world, there are railways and they do not get enough passengers. Friends, the purpose of my saying is that we are bringing a change. That because of that change, we want a change in the common person of India. For achieving the new heights of development, we want to proceed. We have such a large network of railways. Whoever wants a job, there would be an advertisement in the newspaper, they would apply. And then the railway people would give them a training for 6 months or 1 year. And you know, when at the government level the training takes place, what happens? And that person would join the job in railways, and what would happen to the railways? I said the railways must have their own 4 universities, and the person who wants a job in railways must study in that university, and so that they will be able to serve railways in the best possible manner. if there is technology upgradation, there is expansion of railways, at that time there will be proper development of human resources. And for that we have decided to do one more thing, because the world is going to require a huge workforce. Today the world is progressing at a very fast speed. That is becoming old. There are many countries of the world who have got economic strength but do not have the workforce. And only it is not possible to live life just with the help of technology. But the adequate workforce will always be required. We are lucky. The workforce that is required for the whole world, our people have done a lot of work to supply that workforce. However, that work is incomplete. Skill development is extremely important. If skill development is not there, and the type of workforce that the world requires, for that workforce, we have to plan. We want to do the mapping of the world and find out in the year 2020 what type of people will be required. Maths and science teachers, they are required in the world. Nurses are required in the world. What? India should only export diamonds? Should only export gems and jewelries? Only export potatoes and tomatoes? If we can export the best quality teachers to the world, we can make the whole world ours. The whole world needs good teacher. For that, we have to concentrate on human development in India. It may take 5 years or 10 years, but we will prepare the human resources that will be required for the whole world. That will be good for the welfare of the world, and that will be hail to India. If we want to achieve new heights of development, my dear friends, my dear young friends, India has decided to concentrate on the young people, on the confidence of their talent, on the confidence of their capacity. They can become competent to help the whole world. And the victory or losing is not going to be decided on the basis of wars on the land. The world is going to progress on the basis of intelligence. More than wealth or mind, the intelligence is going to work. And for that, we have to prepare competent citizens, and with confidence in competent people and keeping the requirements of the world, India has to make all necessary arrangements. And I assure you, I know that love, this blessing, this sounds of victory, within that there are expectations. There are great expectations. But your dream is my dream. Your wishes are my wishes. I also want to make India in the same way you want it to be. The difference is that earlier the governments were saying how to progress, how to decide the progress for the country. But I believe that the country is formed with the competence of the people of the country, and we give them the opportunity to utilize their strength. We do not create resistance. The government should step aside. You would be surprised. I came. A previous government used to be proud of saying, we made this we made this law, we made that law, but my train is going in the reverse direction. They were enjoying making laws, but I enjoy finishing the laws. There is so much of load. And let the people live peacefully. Let them have fresh air. And for that I say, I have faith in the capacity of the citizens of the people. With confidence in them, the country is going to progress. The government is not going to progress the country. When you came here, when you were studying, for getting your mark sheet certified, you had to go to a person for getting. You had to go to a gazetted officer, and there would be a queue outside that person's office, and you have to have someone known. And what I do not understand, that this is a modern generation. That do we have to have certification from that gazetted officer or the MLA? But it was going on since the time of the Britishers. But I stopped that. I said, brother, you yourself certify your copy. I said, please have confidence on 125 crore people. If we don't have confidence on our people, how would we have confidence in ourselves? I removed all those rules. When you get a job, you show the original certificates and the matter finishes there. The purpose of saying this is that we have confidence, we have trust on our countrymen. Don't have doubts on them, and that itself will change the environment. If I didn't have trust on the poor people of my country, then they would not have deposited so much of funds in their banks. And because of that, by having confidence in the people, we unite the strength of the society. We unite the strength of the countrymen. By doing that, we want to progress. Our farmers should be happy. Our mothers and sisters should get respect. In every area, people look for dignity. I launched a program on dignity of labor. We were familiar with truth alone triumphs. I assure you, I'll inform you about something. You have given so much of love to me. And if someone goes to the embassy, people do not get good response. Nobody picks up the phone. If we send an email, no one responds.
और फिर
And then,
यार मोदी जी आए लेकिन कुछ हुआ नहीं.
forget it, friend. Modi ji has come, but nothing has happened.
हाँ, निराशा इतनी.
This is what happens.
इतने बुरे दिन.
People have so much of disappointment. People have seen so many bad things, but they think,
एक निर्णय.
but the
मैं जब अमेरिका गया था.
management can be changed, the arrangements can be changed. When I went to America in September, I said certain things,
लेकिन उस समय
but at that time,
मेडिसिन स्क्वायर में जो लोग इकट्ठे हुए थे.
the people who had come to Madison Square,
मेरे पहले भी बहुत लोग बोल के गए होंगे.
they didn't have faith in me because before me also many people would have said similar things.
और दूध का जला छाछ फूंक के पीता है.
And the person who is burnt by milk, he would be scared of drinking even buttermilk. But my brothers and sisters, whatever I had said in America, I started doing that job one by one.
PIO कार्ड है.
The people who have got a PIO card,
आजीवन वीजा मिल जाएगा.
all of them will get a lifetime visa.
एम्बेसी वाला ने फोन उठाया नहीं उठाया, ईमेल का जवाब दिया नहीं दिया.
Now there will be no question whether the embassy person picked up the phone or not, and all the difficulties
काम है.
would be removed. There is one more job.
PIO को उसको लेकर के चले कि OCI को लेकर चले.
There is a dispute whether we should go on the PIO or OCI.
ट्रीटमेंट होती है.
There is a separate treatment for PIO and OCI. I have decided that we will merge both in one.
इस बार
This time,
प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस.
the day for tourism in India, that is going to be celebrated in Ahmedabad.
और इस बार के प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस का एक महत्व है.
And there is an important
1915
thing in the tourism day in India.
महीने में
In 1915, January,
साउथ अफ्रीका से भारत वापस आए थे. एक प्रवासी भारतीय
Mahatma Gandhi had returned from
साउथ अफ्रीका
South Africa.
1915 जनवरी में महात्मा गांधी वापस आए.
Mahatma Gandhi returned in January 1915.
2015 जनवरी 100 साल हो रहे हैं.
It will complete 100 years of Mahatma Gandhi returning from South Africa. And that's why on the Tourism Day of India, we are going to celebrate the centenary of Mahatma Gandhi return.
महात्मा गांधी के दिल में देश के लिए करने की ललक थी. ये
And-
ललक हर हिंदुस्तान दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में क्यों न हो, वो जलती रहे, जगती रहे.
And the people
इसके लिए
who had wanted to celebrate
और इसलिए
the return of Mahatma Gandhi, they will have the great opportunity for that. And for that,
हमने तय किया है
we have decided that
8-9 जनवरी जब प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस होगा,
that during 8-9 January 2015, before that, my government will accomplish this job of merging the OCIs and PCI,
तारीख के साथ बता.
PIO. I am telling you with the date.
एक और था,
And there is one more thing.
पहले हमारे यहाँ से जो लोग आते थे,
Earlier, the people who were coming from our place, at that time, you knew, they had to go to the police station
कि मैं वही हूँ.
that I am the same person.
और वो पुलिस वाला तय करता था. हाँ,
And that policeman used to decide, yes, you are the same person.
मैं हैरान हूँ जी.
I am surprised.
हमने तय कर दिया है, किसी को जाना नहीं पड़ेगा.
I have decided that no one will have to go.
और इसको लागू
The matter is finished and that has already been applied.
ऐसी चीजें बना करके रखी है.
The purpose of saying this is that
दिलाने का मैंने अभियान चला.
such things have been done that I have started a campaign of finishing those things, bringing end to those things.
हमारा यानी
In Sydney,
एम्बेसी का एक हिस्सा यहाँ सिडनी में भी है.
we have an office of the embassy here in Sydney also.
आज ही मैंने सूचना दी है.
I have given instructions.
उसको फंक्शनल करना चाहता हूँ.
I want to start the cultural center by February.
ये होगा।
And this will be done.
एक मेरी वेबसाइट है, आप में से इंटरेस्ट हो तो mygov.com, MYGOV.
And there is one website,
तो लिखिए उस पर.
mygov.com, MYGOV. If you have any complaint, please write on that. If you have suggestion, then also write.
करना चाहते हैं तो भी लिखिए.
And if you want to do anything for the country, please write in that. In February, this
सेंटर शुरू हो जाए.
cultural center will start. For that, I
आगे बढ़ने वाला हूँ.
am going to proceed.
एक और महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय करना है.
There is one more important decision to be taken.
भारत में जो टूरिज्म बढ़ाने के लिए हम चाहते हैं,
We want to increase tourism in India.
कह सकते हैं.
You can also tell the citizens of Australia there will be visa on arrival.
खुश.
Happy?
ये सुविधाएं बहुत जल्द आपको प्राप्त हो जाए, उस दिशा में हम काम कर रहे हैं.
I am working in that direction that you get that facility very soon. Have I taken a lot of time?
आप लोग स्पेशल ट्रेन लेकर के आए हैं.
You have come by a special train.
कोई कल्पना कर सकता है क्या? आज वर्किंग डे.
Can anyone imagine? Today it's a working day. And this gathering of people. 1, 2, 3, 4.
ऊपर तो मेरी नजर भी नहीं पहुंच पा रही है.
Even my sight doesn't reach upstairs.
मैं आपके प्यार के लिए बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ.
I am very much thankful to you for your love.
ये आशीर्वाद बने रहे, ये प्यार बना रहे.
And I wish that this blessing continues, this love continues. I assure you
मैं परिश्रम करने में कोई कमी नहीं है.
that I will not step behind. I will do the hard work.
ईश्वर ने जितनी बुद्धि, समय, शक्ति दी है,
Whatever intelligence
आपको समर्पित है.
and time that the God has given, I am devoting all that to you, to the countrymen.
लेकिन ये निश्चित है, हम सब मिलकर के
But
देश को बनाना.
it is definite that we all have to get together and
हमें भी देश को
develop the country. The country has given us a lot. Now we also have to give something to the country. Whatever we are today,
की कृपा है, तब हम यहाँ.
there is some favor
हमने उसे
from some poor person, and we have to uplift those poor people.
होता है.
And the God also feels pleased when we are helpful to someone. And once more,
इतनी बड़ी संख्या में आप आए.
you came in such a large number. I am thankful to you.
ताकत से आज बोलिए. हाँ, मेरा भी मन करता है बोल लो.
I feel
ताकत से बोलिए.
like saying,
माता की
Hail to Mother India.
पूरी ताकत से बताइए. हिंदुस्तान में लगना चाहिए कि भारत
The people in Hindustan,
भारत माता की,
hail to Mother India. Hail to Mother Bharat.
माता की.
Hail to Mother Bharat.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Lots of thanks.